In today's video, we are going to show you how to handle email changes on Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the Settings tab, which can be found on the left side panel. Click the drop-down menu and click the Profile. Now, there is one important thing that you need to know right away. You cannot directly change your registered email on an Exness account. As you can see, it's grayed out and there is no pencil icon or any edit option that you have here. Because when you create an Exness account, the email you use is permanently linked to your profile. And you may notice that this email is used for verifications. You see that? So if you're thinking you could just edit in settings, that option is not available. But what you can do instead is, for example, you don't have any access to that email or you lost access, your email was hacked. All I have to do is simple. Don't panic because go on the left side panel of your dashboard, click the support hub. This is the most important part. Okay? All I have to do is contact the support hub at these channels. You can live chat, start a chat right now. Let's say type a question here and press enter. Or if you want, you can call these numbers. Okay, it's super simple. But the better option is to open a ticket so that you can request assistance to recover or update your account access. All I have to do is click the section here for account and security, and then click the other, click the continue button, and type in your information. And click the continue button. You just have to wait for the response from the support hub. And basically, that's everything you need to know about changing emails on Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.